Hi everyone. Okay, as I promised, we're having a wonderful giveaway today. It's a very special giveaway. I'm just gonna get my notes here. It's a leather traveler's notebook journal, and here it is. It's gorgeous. It's made from natural, real, beautiful leather. Smells awesome. And it's from Apple Pig Leather Art. And he sent me, his name is Lynn. He sent me this. And I did a review on it. If you look back in some of the videos, there's a flip through and everything. And I was so excited and I couldn't wait to use it. And what happened was, I didn't start using it. I kept using my other one, and for me, I absolutely love it. But I can't let go of my other one, and I need something a little different than this. And I was talking to him about it, and we're gonna make that one. But I asked him if he'd mind, because he made this one for me, if I gave this in a giveaway, and he said, well, it's yours to do what you want. So here we are. This is his cave art leather. He has all kinds of colors of leathers, different styles. He does amazing work. The workmanship on this, look at the corners. And you see the flat edges? Normally in leather, this is not colored. This is colored, and it's shiny and it's smooth and slick. He does just a gorgeous job. But anyway, so this is the tanning, the dyeing of this leather. See how it's round? He calls it his cave art leather. And it's gorgeous. And he has his little Apple Pig insignia. I don't know if you can see that on there. Just gorgeous. I'm just in awe of his work. So the value of this is $132. Plus, if you ordered it, you'd be paying shipping. So it's quite a nice value. And in the front, you open it up, and this is his own design. You have extra slots here. And then, sorry, it's a little hard to... You have little slots here. You can put your pens or whatever in here. Then you have, just a second here. Then you have, it's awkward holding it like this. Then you have another pocket in here. Snaps closed. And if you open it, you have your two pockets here. Gorgeous. The workmanship in this is amazing. Look at the work. It's so beautiful. And then there's two inserts inside. You have 4 elastics, 4 places to, God, it's tough to hold so you guys can see. There's, let me just take this out. There's one grid, and it's thick. There's a lot of paper in here. Oh, they're both grid ones. Okay. So, and you've got 2 more elastics in here. And of course, if you know your traveler's notebook and how you do, you wrap your other elastic, which he gave more of. There's more elastics to use that you can insert, you could have, there's 2 here, there's 2 more, so you could have 4. Then you could put another elastic around here, 5, 6. You could have a lot in here. You could have a lot. And isn't it gorgeous? It's beautiful. So it comes with this elastic, extra elastic for your extra inserts. And it comes with a leather coaster, cave art. So cute. And the little wee apple insignia on it. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I forgot to show you. I don't know if something's on the back. Oh, no, it's plain on the back. I was thinking maybe there's a pocket. But I remember when I had asked them, I didn't want lots of pockets inside. When you order, you can have anything you want. You can have a pen loop, but I didn't want a pen loop. I wanted something that I could have my pens in on the inside here, so I could have more than one. And I wanted, you know, a little bit more storage space. It's gorgeous. And this is the giveaway, my friends. And what it is, it's a thank you for all my subscribers. We're over 11,000 now. And just a huge, huge thank you. And I wanted to make it a really nice giveaway. And this is absolutely stunning. This is wonderful. It's open worldwide. The only thing is that for this giveaway, I want it to be fair to the subscribers, the ones, you know, that are here watching and submitting things and being part of the group, the Junk Journal Tutorials Facebook group. And the draw is going to close, to enter is going to close at the end of March. I believe there's 31 days in March, so March 31st. And in order for me to use the random picker, there has to be comments. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to absolutely need to be a subscriber to the Facebook group Junk Journal Tutorials, to our Facebook group, and you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So that way, the ones who get entered are the ones that are committed, so that you know, that are part of it, that are here. Now in the YouTube video, in this YouTube video, you need to make a comment below. And what can your comment be about? Maybe your comment could be, how old were you, or approximate age, when you first started keeping a journal, a diary, you know, a notebook of your thoughts, when you first started doing any kind of journaling of any kind. So that can be in the comments. So remember, you have to be a member of Junk Journal Tutorials group on Facebook. You have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, which is Sunshine LeClaire, where this video is. And in this video on YouTube, you need to make a comment of, just comment what age it was approximately that you started any kind of journaling or diary, or, you know, writing down your thoughts. And that's going to be it. And then on March 31st, a lucky winner will win this Cave Art Traveler's Notebook Journal, and it's standard size, and it's worldwide. So thank you everybody for being part of this. We're over 11,000. It's just, thank you very much. And we get so much participation on the channel. It's incredible. I'm just so grateful. And there's so many wonderful, wonderful people in the group. Just lovely, lovely people. And this is for you. So thank you very much. And hope you have a wonderful day. Happy March 1st. Spring is coming. And pretty soon we'll be getting out there journaling in the nice warm sun. Well, some of you probably have sun now. But anyways, have a wonderful day. And again, I really appreciate each and every one of you. And please give a thumbs up to this video. And of course, if you're entering the draw, subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.